OWUSU, welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you.
First of all, how excited are you to finally put on the colors of Asante Kotoko, and what does it mean to you?
Well, I'm very happy to wear this shirt. Kotoko has been the dream since I was a kid. Me growing up, I wanted to play Asante Kotoko. So having the opportunity today, I'm very happy.
What did your agent's management tell you about Asante Kotoko? How did you receive the news of a possible interest in you? And was it something that you struggled to decide on, or it was a straightforward decision for you?
Yeah, as I said earlier, Kotoko has been the dream. So when I had the call that Asante Kotoko want my service, on the phone I answered yes. I did not say anything, because I want to play Asante Kotoko.
This is a club with a lot of demands, a club that has no time for anyone, be it manager, player, or whoever is in charge. That you need to deliver. It's right on value for money, instantaneous results. Does that put pressure on you? Do you think you have the mentality and what it takes to survive in such a demanding club?
Yeah, well, as a player, once a player, you always feel the pressure anywhere you go. So I know Kotoko is a very big club and they will demand a lot. So I'm here to work and do my best for the club.
Are you experiencing any different feeling putting on the jersey? First of all, brought it from the jersey shop and then you have it on you. Are you having any special kind of feeling? Can you explain or share with that if there's any? First of all, seeing the jersey, your jersey being brought out, you putting it on. Can you take us through if there's any feeling like this?
Yeah, I'm very happy wearing this shirt. I'm going to tell you a funny story. When I came to sign the contract, I came here with my brother. So after I finished the contract, I told him, bro, today is like, I'm happy. I have played many clubs. So signing Asante Kotoko is like, I feel like, I'm home. So I'm very happy signing for Asante Kotoko.
What does this jersey mean to you?
It means a lot. Asante Kotoko means a lot to me. So wearing this shirt, I'm going to work hard and work for the team.
How different does it feel? Though you've played for different clubs, how different does this shirt feel for you? Putting it on, having it on.
Yeah, it's great. It looks good on me too. So yeah, I feel good.
What does Johnson know about Kotoko, and what is he bringing on board that supporters are yet to experience from any player who has played in his position?
Yeah, Johnson, what I know about Kotoko is growing up, I will always go to Accra Sports Stadium to watch Asante Kotoko, even when they lost. And sometimes I will not be happy, when Kotoko lose. So today I'm here wearing the shirt and presenting Asante Kotoko on the field of play. I'm going to do my best. And I cannot say my quality, but the field will show. Yeah.
This season we participate in the Confederation Cup, as a competition that you've had an opportunity of playing there. What do you think your experience from that competition will will bring on board for you as Kotoko? How is it going to shape you playing at Kotoko relatively from your club and Kotoko? It's two different scenarios. So what does your experience from the Africa shape
Yeah.
your stay with Kotoko?
Yeah, everybody knows Asante Kotoko have history and come to Africa. So we're going to work hard as players. We need to work hard and play together for the team because I've been there and I think most of the players too have been there before. So we're going to work hard and play for the team.
Johnson, you're welcome. I wish you a happy stay.
Thank you very much.